Hi guys! So it's me Nicole and I'm creating this quick video para mabigyan kayo ng guidance kung ikaw ay nakapag-reserve na sa Don Marland, either Buena Vista or Legazia or North Grove, di ba? Siyempre, first of all, congratulations! At bibigyan kayo ng instructions, very simple instructions kung paano nyo dapat i-fill out yung forms ni Don Mar. Okay? It's very easy and this is to help you para hindi na pabalik-balik yung forms, yung sa email, di ba? Na masagutan mo siya ng maayos, ng tama, at ng mabilis to save you time as well. Okay? So, ganito po siya. Okay, so nakapag-reserve ka online, naka-receive ka ng email na may attachment ng client information sheet at saka data processing consent form. Paano mo siya i-fill out? So dito, kung halimbawa wala kang co-borrower, ikaw lang mag-isa, so ikaw ay principal buyer, lalagyan mo lahat ng details. Lahat ng details na nandito, ilalagay mo yan, sa'yo yan. Kung ikaw ay single, leave this blank, yung spouse. Pero kung married ka, lagyan mo ng details to ng spouse mo. At kung ikaw ay OFW or abroad, dapat meron ka rin nakalagay dito sa portion na to na appointed attorney in fact or yung SPA na tinatawag, nakalagay yung name niya, contact number. Yun yung pinaka-importante, mga contact number tsaka address. Yan. And then yung dito naman, i-check mo lang naman yan eh. So, dahil nag-reserve ka through me, pwede mong ilagay dito is social media, kung sa YouTube mo ka nakita or whatever, or Facebook, check mo lang yan. Tapos yung monthly income mo, dito ka sa 100,000 and above, check mo lang yan. Tapos sa price range, dito check mo lang, check. Puro check lang dito. Other information, check lang din. Itong character references, very important ito na maglalagay ka ng 3 character reference, address nun, contact number nun, known since, ibig sabihin, nakilala mo siya since 2010, since 2025, since 1990, yung mga ganun, year lang. Tapos ito, signature over printed name ito ng mo, ikaw as a principal buyer. So ito yan. Yan, yung principal buyer. Dito, ikaw yan, tapos pirma mo sa taas. Pagka wala kang asawa, single ka, leave this blank. Pero kung may asawa ka, nandito rin dapat yung pangalan ng asawa mo, may pirma rin sa taas. Tapos itong iba dito, leave this blank. Hindi mo yan kailangan sagutan. So, ganun yung pagsagot nitong client information sheet. Kung halimbawang may co-borrower ka, so kailangan i-print mo ng 2 copies ito kapag may co-borrower, okay? So, kung paano sinagutan ni principal itong form na to, ganun din yung gagawin na pagsagot ni co-borrower. So, kahit may principal na nakalagay yan dyan, as co-borrower, sasagutan mo rin yun, same thing, kung paano sinagutan nung principal nga. So, pareho lang. Kaya 2 copies yung isi-send nyo nito pag mag-co-borrower kayo. Pero pag wala kang co-borrower, edi isa lang. Ganun siya. Itong DPC or Data Processing Consent Form, same thing. Pag ikaw lang yung principal buyer, wala kang co-borrower, isa lang ito yung kailangan. Pero kung may co-borrower, 2. So, ganun siya. Ito na lang yung sasagutan mo dyan. Client signature over printed name, date, contact number, email address. Residence means yung address. So, very easy lang siya sagutan. So, ayan yung ating forms na kailangan mong i-send back kay Don Marland, diba? Very easy, pwede mong gawin online, i-print o kaya naman online, ma-edit mo siya online, wala ring problema. Pwede rin kasi dito e-signature lang, i-attach mo lang yung e-signature mo. So, kapag dito, tinatanong nila kung anong address yung ilalagay, kung ikaw ay OFW or abroad ka, yung ilalagay mo dito, address ng iyong SPA. So, address sa Pilipinas dapat yung nakalagay dito, okay? So, any questions, just contact me directly, but that's it for today.